What the fuck you think?
What's the problem? What's the problem?
Yeah, but I'm like this. I ain't no fucking baby. I'm like this here. Sit up straight. Who the fuck you think he is? Sit up the train, all five.
He was telling you he was doing his job. So he was
No, all the five that got murdered somebody. Damn, I ain't no fucking baby. Shit.
Yeah, but you were sleeping on the train.
I was not. I'm like this here.
Yeah, but
the bag like this.
Yeah, I hear you. But you was laid up on the bag, taking up 2 seats.
You know what? Get the fuck out of here. I'm like this here. The bag there.
You were using 2
like
seats?
This. I wasn't laying down.
You like that side.
Right.
So
right.
You took up 2 seats. That's the problem.
You know what?
And when they walked in there, your eyes were shut, and you didn't even see them. They had to wake you up and say, hey, wake up.
I can't shut my eyes or nothing.
You're supposed to stay alert.
My tennis to go. Shit.
Tell you, bro.
Well, anyway, now I gotta wait again.
All right, that's all right. It's not like you got anywhere really to go, right? Come on.
Yes, I do too.
You got to work? You went late for work?
Yeah.
Where you work at?
Here and there. Oh, stop that, man.
Here and there ain't no job. What is that?
Yeah, but look, how old are you then?
I'm not that young as you think I am.
Yeah, well, how old are you then?
I'm over 40.
Me too.
You over 50?
Yeah.
All right, I'm not over 50 yet.
All right, I'm over 62.
Oh, man, yeah, you up there.
My son somebody did. Oh, I see that.
Huh?
Uh-oh.
Puerto Rican flag.
No kidding.
All right, man, get on the train and don't fall asleep no more, all right? Cops take you to jail for that. You know that,
y'all
right?
Right? All right, man.
Later.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.